Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Marengo, local and long-distance movers near me. We need to relocate 100 miles away or further. We can provide basic moving services along with packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of professional movers specialize in long-distance moving. We can help you relocate one state over or all the way across the country. Whether you want the basic moving services or a full-service, super convenient move, we can handle it. Choosing the right Illinois moving company will make your local move so much simpler. With the right team, you can gain the peace of mind knowing your things are safe. Plus, you won't have to do the heavy lifting or recruit people to help you with your move. 3 Movers offers the best local moving services you will find. We provide full service options and basic options for your short move. Our team can handle any size move and have it done in just a fraction of the time that it would have taken yourself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marengo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.